Question 9 is a function question. So like all other function questions, I'm going to read sentence before and sentence after. Sentence before says that increased production quotas conferred greater bargaining power on the company's employees. So conferred means to give or grant bargaining. So they gave the greater quota, so having to make more gave employees greater bargaining power, and a lot of these employees were Mexican American women. The next sentence says that employees insisted on more favorable benefits, and employers who needed to fulfill these contracts, so they needed people to meet these quotas, complied and gave them those benefits. And then I see the word thus, which tells me this last sentence is a result. So here we're talking about the actual bargain. And the last sentence is the result, which is that labor activism became a platform for Mexican American women to assert their agency. That's what happened as they got this increased bargaining power. Now, having read that, I'm going to go through the 4 answer choices. The first says it elaborates on a claim about labor relations. Well, a claim about labor relations, that's that yellow thing I just highlighted, which is because they had to make more, employees had better bargaining power in a particular industry made earlier in the text. So I'm fine with everything in answer choice A. Answer choice B says that it offers an example. Well, I didn't see an example in the underlined sentence, nor in the sentence before and after, of a trend in the World War II era economy. So I didn't see any specific example about the economy in general. And so for that reason, B is incorrect. Answer choice C says it notes a possible exception. We didn't see any possible exception. We're talking about this case, this one case of Mexican American women being able to bargain more. That's not an exception to a greater rule. So C is incorrect. D says it provides further details. Okay, this is the same thing as example, so it gives me a question mark, but I'm going to keep reading. It says about the identities of the workers discussed earlier in the text. So we don't have more details about the identities because we don't really know who they are. All we know is that they're Mexican American women who work as employees. So there's no further details in the underlined sentence. And so I know A is going to be the correct